Hello, Team TFT, and welcome back to the last daily market outlook video for the week. Obviously, we've covered the Dixie, Euro, and GBP pairs this week. We see at the end of last week we had we wicked up into this big zone and we've pulled away. We're starting to see that rejection come out here on the 15-minute chart. Firstly, we'll go down to the Forex calendar. As we can see, nothing much to be worried about on any of the pairs that we're trading, so we should be good to take some look for some trades today. So we'll jump out on the 4-hour at the moment, just have a bit of a look. So you can see here, obviously, we've come up into this big zone and we're starting to see that rejection now coming out of that area. Obviously, we are still very bearish overall. We have had a short-term 4-hour bullishness, and coming back in the Dixie now, we can see that bearishness starting to form back in here again with these lower lows and lower highs starting to come through. So we'll jump down to the 15-minute chart. Well, first of all, on the 4-hour here, we can identify we've got this downtrend starting to happen, and we are currently working within this leg here. So let's jump to the 15-minute, and we can start to see the leg that we're talking about here, which was obviously yesterday's leg. So what we're going to start looking for now is, well, where are we going to start to see areas of interest that we could be looking to trade from? So there's a couple of areas here. Obviously, we've got the origin block up here, which we could be looking to sell from, or we also could be looking to sell from around this midline area here, which indicates there's a little bit of, we can see in the past. We'll just show here. So if we put a line through this area here, we can see in the past prices had a little bit of trouble in this area and respected it a bit. So we've come down, we've respected it again, then come back up through, found support a little bit, and then push back down through. I'm sure if we go further left, we can see here we've rejected from that area before. So, and rejection. So it is quite a key level there. So it's something to be mindful of, that we could see essentially a break and retest of that area before going short. So today, looking for possibilities of this one, or again this one on the Dixie. As the Asian range is now completed and we're pulling to the upside, obviously the sweep to the low and then push down is probably unlikely. Over to Euro. So Euro is probably the same thing at the moment. I was discussing some trades here with the guys in the TFT on our live session last night about some areas here that we could be looking forward to go from. And again, they're still relevant based on our Dixie analysis today. Looking for that pull down into these areas before going long. Same sort of scenario as the Dixie. So, again, we need to be watching what the 4-hour is doing and understanding where we are. And again, we can see here the 4-hour is shifting bullish. So we are looking at anywhere within our current leg, which is from here to here. And obviously both of those are within that leg area. So that's the area that we're going to be looking for, those discounted prices to go long from those areas. If we don't get those prices and we go long from here, so be it. There's another trade another day. GU. Now, GU is kind of just stuck in a big old range, has been for a while now, since the middle of December last year. So basically on GU, we are currently, if we take this away and we grab our fib tool, range fib, we can see here that obviously we've created a bit of a range in here, and we are currently at the low of the range. So, is there a possibility we see a push down into this area before obviously then returning back to the top of the range? That's probably the trade that I would be looking for at the moment, because we have a build-up of liquidity through here. We also have, we've had low liquidity here that's been swept down into here. Now we've come down, we've set a low, we've respected the halfway again. Now we're coming back down, sweep liquidity into the lows there, and then go long. Seems like a fairly good bias at this stage for a long scenario. And again, we can see here, like I've got this little area here marked out. If we jump down on the 15-minute, got this little area here marked out as a possible area for a long, but we can also see that this didn't come up and break the previous high. So essentially, we are still working within this leg, and the rest of this is all internal price action. So there's a high probability that we will see a lot of retail traders trying to go long from this spot, and then it comes down lower into this area, sweeps trendline liquidity into that lower origin block at the bottom of the range there, and then going long. So that's basically my analysis for today. So GU is probably, at this point in time, I'd be just waiting to get down into that area. If we did see a pullback up, we could probably look to short down there. But again, it's not good practice to be shorting from the bottom of a range. You're best off looking for longs at that point in time. So what, guys, thanks again for jumping on this week. Appreciate your support, and I'll see you all again next week. Thanks for watching another Daily Market Outlook video. If you enjoyed it, please give this video a like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like it. Also, guys, we are the largest Tradesmen Forex group tailored to helping hundreds of tradesmen get their time back through trading. If you want access to structured education, 18 live sessions across 7 days a week, mental health and mindset support from a qualified psychologist, and access to multiple different trading strategies from 10 different mentors, then jump over to our website at www.teamtft.co.uk. Please remember, this is not financial advice, and you should not trade based on anything I have said in this video. This is just my own opinion and nothing more. And remember, manage your risk, stick to your plan, and secure those profits. Have a ripper day.